Hello everyone, hello grade 4. Today we will study the first part of the revision for the first term. Let's start. Number 1. 1 over 4 million pound equals how many pound? We studied before guys that quarter million equals what? Yes, equals 250,000. So the correct answer is C. Next, the value of the digit 7 in the number 27,351. 7 in thousands place, so its value equals 7,000. So the correct answer here is D. 3. The milliard is the smallest what digit number? We studied before that the milliard has 10 digit number. So the milliard is the smallest 10 digit number. The correct answer here is D. Next, 505 square meter and 12 square kilometer. We want to compare between them. We studied before that 1 square kilometer equals what guys? Square meter equals 1 million square meter. So 505 square meter is less than 12 square kilometer. So the correct answer is B. Next, the HCF for the two numbers 2 and 4 is what guys? Ask yourself, 2 and 4 are divisible by what? And this number is the greatest one, are divisible by 2. So this GCF or the HCF of 2 and 4 is what guys? Is 2. So the correct answer is 2. Next, the LCM, lowest common multiple of the two numbers 3 and 6 is what? Which number here is divisible by 3 and 6 and this number is the smallest one? 3, 6, 9, 18. Yes, it will be 6. So the LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Next, the number what is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. 2, 3 and 5 are what guys? Are prime numbers. To find this number, just multiply 2, 3 and 5. So this number equals 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 5 equals what guys? Equals 30. So the correct answer is 30. So the number 30 is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. And 2, 3 and 5 are what guys? Are the prime factors of 30 we studied before. Next, 3 millions, 3 thousands and 3. Now we have millions, we have 6 digit number. We can write this number as 3 million and 3,000. We have 00 in 10,000 and 100,000 place. We have 3 in ones place and 00 in tens and hundreds place. So the correct answer here is C, and you can read each number to find this number. The first one here is 3,030,003. The second is 6 digit number 303,003. The third one, which is the correct one, we can read it as 3,003,003. The last one here, we have here 3,003,300. So the correct answer is C. Number 9, the smallest prime number is what guys? We studied before that the smallest prime number is 2. So the correct answer is C. Number 10, 1 million and 100,000. We have here 1 million and 100. Now we have here 100,000, but no thousands here. So we will write here greater than. Next, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of any triangle equals what guys? We studied before, equals 180 degrees. So the correct answer is C. Next, the two diagonals are equal in length in each of. We studied before that the two diagonals in the square and rectangle are what guys? Are equal in length. He said the square and rhombus, number B, the square and rectangle. This is the correct answer we studied before. But don't forget, the two diagonals in the square are perpendicular, but the two diagonals in the rectangle are not perpendicular. We studied before. Next, he said the perimeter of the square of the side length 4 cm or the perimeter of rectangle are 5 cm and 3 cm with dimensions. He wants here to compare between them. So first we will find the perimeter of the square. We studied before that the perimeter of the square equals what guys? Equals its side length times 4. Its side length here equals 4 centimeters. So we write 4 times 4 equals what, guys? Equals 16 centimeters. To find the perimeter of rectangle, just we will add its length plus width times 2. The formula of the perimeter of the rectangle equals length plus width. You can find it mentally. 5 plus 3 equals what, guys? Equals 8. 8 times 2 equals what? Equals 16 centimeters. So we have 16 left hand side and 16 right hand side. So the perimeter of the square of side length 4 centimeters equals the perimeter of the rectangle. So the correct answer is C. Next, 99,999 plus 1. He asked here about what, guys? About the next number of this number. This number is the greatest 5-digit number. So after it is what, guys? Is 100,000. So this is equals 100,000. So the correct answer here is what? Is C. Number 15, 1 over 4 million pound is written in digits as we studied before, 250,000. So the correct answer is D. So don't forget, quarter million equals 250,000 we studied before. Number 16, the place value of the digit 3 in the number. We have here 6-digit number, 736,542. Ask yourself now, he is asked about the place value of 3. 3 in what, guys? 3 in the second period. So thousands period, but 3 here in thousands period with the second digit, it will be 10,000. So 3 in what, guys? In 10,000. The correct answer is B. Number 17, the perimeter of the square is 32 centimeters. Then its area equals what square centimeter? Now to find its area, you must have its side length. To find its side length, guys, just we will divide the perimeter by 4, because the perimeter equals what, guys? Equals its side length times 4. Now side length equals 32 divided by 4. We studied before equals 8 centimeters. To find its area, guys, we studied before that the area of the square equals its side length times itself. So it will be S times S. S equals what, guys? Equals 8 centimeters. So we have here 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. Now 8 times 8 equals what? Equals 64 square centimeters. So its area equals 64 square centimeters. So the correct answer is D. Next, the prime number just comes after to the following number. 17 is what, guys? Is 18 is not a prime. 19 is a prime number, and here 19 just came after the number 17. 20 is not a prime number, and 23 is a prime number. But he is asking here about the number just comes after the number 17. So this number is what, guys? Is 19. 19 is a prime number. Number 19, 660 divided by 5 and 660 divided by 4. He wants to compare between them. Ask yourself now, what is the dividend? The dividend here is constant, 660. It will be the same. But the divisor here is 5 and the divisor here is 4. What is the relation between 5 and 4, guys? 5 is greater than 4. So the quotient at the left hand side, it will be less than the quotient at right hand side mentally. So the correct answer is B. You can find it by division. You can divide 660 by 5 and find the quotient, and divide 660 by 4 and find the quotient. The quotient will be less than the 660 divided by 4. Next, 7 square meter and 7,000 square centimeter. To compare between them, just here we will multiply 7 square meter by 10,000 to convert it to be square centimeter. Now we have 70,000 square centimeter and 7,000 square centimeter. Now we will write greater than. So the correct answer is A. Number 21, the number 12 is the lowest common multiple for 3 and what? Ask yourself now, what's the lowest common multiple of two numbers? It's the smallest number that divisible by the two numbers. Ask yourself now, 12 is divisible by 3 and what, guys? 3 and 36? No. 3 and 15? No. 3 and 9? No. 3 and 4? Yes, it's divisible by 3 and 4. So the correct answer here is A. Next, the triangle whose side length 6, 4, 6, we have here two sides are the same, are equal. So this triangle is called what? Is called isosceles triangle. Number 25, the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a triangle is equal what, guys? Yes, is 180 degrees. We studied before. So the correct answer is C. Number 26, the number what is divisible by 2 and 3. To find this number, just check each number here. 10 is divisible by 2 but is not divisible by 3. 14 is an even number, is divisible by 2 and is not divisible by 3. But 21 is divisible by 3 and is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. The last number is 18. 18 is divisible by 2, it's easy, equals 9, and 18 is divisible by 3, guys, equals what? Yes, equals 6. So the correct answer here is D. So the number 18 is divisible by 2 and 3. Number 27, 25 times 7 times 4. We can rewrite this sentence as 25 times 4 times 7 to make it easy. So we studied before that 25 times 4 equals what, guys? Equals 100. 100 times 7 equals what? Just write 7 and bring down 00 to its right. So the product here is 700. So the correct answer here is D. Next, the highest common factor for 8 and 12 is what, guys? Yes, ask yourself now, 8 and 12 are divisible by what? They are even numbers, are divisible by 2, but there is a number is greater than 2. 8 and 12 are divisible by. You can find it mentally. This number is what, guys? Yes, this number is 4. So the HCF for 8 and 12 is what, guys? Is 4. Number 31, just compare between the two sides. The number which its factor 2, 2, 3. To find this number, just multiply the three factors. 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 3, guys, equals what? Equals 12. So the left hand side is 12. Next, 2 times 3 times 3. It will be 6 times 3. 6 times 3 equals what? Equals 18. Now compare between 12 and 18. 12 is less than 18, so the correct answer is B. Next, the measure of any angle of the square equals what, guys? Yes, we studied before that all angles are right angles. So the measure of any angle equals what, guys? Equals 90 degrees. So the correct answer here is D. Number 33, the smallest prime number is what, guys? Is 2. We studied before. And this number is the only prime even number we studied before. 34, if the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 12 centimeter, then the length of its side length equals what? To find its side length, just we will divide its perimeter divided by 3. Why? Because here the equilateral triangle, all sides are the same, guys. So we will divide 12 divided by 3 equals what, guys? Equals 4 centimeter. So here its side length equals 4 centimeter. The correct answer is B. So its side length equals 4 centimeter. Number 35, he said 6,254,117 equals what, guys? Equals 254,117. We can find the missing number here mentally. We have here what, guys? 6 million. So we have here the missing number is 6 million. Don't forget. So the correct answer here is D. We can find it mentally. Number 36, the diagonals of the numbers are what, guys? Yes, are perpendicular and not equal in length. We studied before. He said number A equal in length. It's not correct. Number B perpendicular but not equal in length. So the correct answer is B. So the diagonals of the numbers are perpendicular. Don't forget, perpendicular and not equal in length. We studied before. Number 37, the number which is nearest to the result of 3,910,051, and the second number is what, guys? Is 5,200,000. 1402. To find this number, just we can estimate each number here. The first number 3,910,000. We can say that 3,910,000 it's close to be 4 million. The first one close to be 4 million. Plus the second 5,200,000 it's close to be 5 million because we have 200,000. Now 4 million plus 5 million equals what? Equals 9 million. We can write it as 9 millions. Which one here is a closest number? So it will be 9 millions. So the correct answer is C, 9 millions. Next, the value of the digit 3 in the number. We can read this number first. 736,542. 3 in what, guys? It's easy. 3 in 10,000's place. So the correct answer is B. Number 39, 54 is a number that is divisible by what, guys? Yes, 54 is an even number, so it's divisible by 2. And 54, if we find the sum of its digits, it will be 5 plus 4 equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Yes, 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now 54 is divisible by 2 and 3. So 54 is divisible by what, guys? Is divisible by the product of 2 and 3. Is what, guys? Is 6. So the correct answer is B. And we studied before from multiplication table, 54 is divisible by 6 equals what, guys? Equals 9, because 6 times 9 equals 54. Number 41, 7070 divided by 35. Take the first two digits, it will be 70 divided by 35. You can find it mentally, equals 2. 2 times 35 equals 70. Take the next digit, 7 divided by 35. It doesn't work because 7 is less than 35. Now we write 0 in quotient. Take the next digit, it will be 70 again divided by 35 equals 2. So the quotient here, it will be 202. So the correct answer here, guys, is C. Next, the common multiple for the numbers 8 and 16 is what, guys? Yes, ask yourself here, 8 and 16. The two numbers here, which number here is the smallest number and is divisible by 8 and 16? It's easy. Yes, we have here 16. 16 is divisible by 8 equals 2, and 16 is divisible by itself equals 1. So the common multiple of 8 and 16 is what, guys? Is 16. And 16 is called what? The lowest common multiple of 8 and 16. Number 47, 1 square meter equals what? Square decimeter. We studied before that 1 meter, guys, equals 10 decimeter. By squaring the two sides here, we will get that 1 square meter equals what, guys? 10 times 10 equals 100 square decimeter. So the correct answer here is 100 square decimeter is B. Next, 40,000 divided by 40. We can find it mentally. How? Just delete 1 0. Now we can take 4 divided by 4 equals what, guys? Equals 1. And bring down the extra zeros. We have here 3 extra zeros. Now the quotient here will be 1000 mentally. So the correct answer is C. Number 49, ABC is a triangle. Measure of A equals 100 degrees. So this triangle is what, guys? Keep your eye on this angle, which is A, equals 100 degrees. So it's obtuse angle. Now this triangle is what, guys? Is obtuse angled triangle. So the correct answer is A. Number 50, the perimeter of the square whose side length 5 cm. You can find it easily. Its perimeter equals its side length times 4. Its side length equals 5. 5 times 4 equals 20 cm. The right hand side, the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, so all sides are the same. Whose side is what, guys? Is 5 cm. To find its perimeter, just its side length now times the 3, because we have here 3 sides of the triangle. Now its side length equals 5. 5 times the 3 equals 15 cm. Now 20 is greater than 15, so we write here greater than. The correct answer is A. Number 51, the number 105 is divisible by 5 and what, guys? Ask yourself, this number is not divisible by 2. Why? Because it's an odd number. But if you find the sum of its digits, it will be here 1 plus 0 plus 5 equals what, guys? Equals 6. Ask yourself now, is 6 is divisible by 3? Yes, equals 2. So this number 105 is divisible by 3. So the number 105 is divisible by 5 and what, guys? And 3. It's easy to determine that this number is divisible by 5 and 3. Number 52, he said 1/2 of a day equals how many hours? We studied before that 1 day equals how many hours, guys? Equals 24 hours. Now half day equals what? Half of 24, just divide 24 by what, guys? By 2 equals what? Equals 12 hours. So half day equals 12 hours. The correct answer is C. Number 53, he said which number is not divisible by 3? We studied before that the number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. So we are looking for a number here. Its sum is not divisible by 3. Number 1 here, or number A, 243. To find the sum of its digits, just here add all digits. 2 plus 4 plus 3 equals what, guys? Equals 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so this number is divisible by 3. Number B, 324. The sum of its digits equals 9 again, so this number is divisible by 3. Next, 777. The sum of its digits equals 7 times 3 equals 21, and 21 is divisible by 3 equals what, guys? Equals 7. So this number 777 is divisible by 3. Look at the last one here. To find the sum of its digits, we will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals what, guys? Yes, equals 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, so this number is not divisible by 3. So which number here is not divisible by 3? The correct answer is 1234. Finally, what's the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36? To find the lowest multiple of the two numbers, we will factorize each number to its prime factors. We have here 24. 24, guys, is an even number, is divisible by 2 equals what? Equals 12. 12 is divisible by 2 equals what? Equals 6. And 6 is divisible by 2 again equals 3. Now the prime numbers of 24 is 2, 2, 2, and 3. We have here 222 and 3. Now we can write 24 as 222, 2 times 2 times 2 times what, guys? Times 3. By the same way, 36 is an even number. It's divisible by 2 equals what, guys? Equals 18. 18 is divisible by 2 equals what? 2 times what? Equals 18 equals 9. And 9 is divisible by 3 equals 3. The prime numbers here is 222 and 3. Now 36, we can write it as 222. We have here 222. So 2 times 2. Don't forget to order the similar factors above each other. And you have here 3. So write 3 under 3 and 3 at the last. Now to find the LCM, we have here to bring down just one digit or one factor of each column. Just the first column, second, third column, fourth, and the last column. Now the LCM is what, guys? Is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now we have 2 times 2 times 2 equals what? It's easy, equals 8 times 3 times 3 equals 9. 8 times 9 equals what, guys? Equals 72. Now the lowest common multiple of 24 and 36 is what, guys? Is 72. So the correct answer is 72. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys.